Welcome to this beginner rebounding bounce 101 series. I go through 7 beginner rebounding exercises that you will find in most workouts. I show you proper form, technique, and we focus on accuracy and correct body alignment and proper form. I show you the very basic, which is level 1. I show the level 2, which is the intermediate, and I show on the same exercise a level 3, which is the most advanced. So I have 3 to 4 videos breaking down the 7 exercises. They're all totally different, each video, and they're no longer than 10 minutes. I will then create one workout video putting the 7 exercises that you learned together in one workout. I've had a lot of requests for a very beginner rebounding bounce workout series. This is it, and this is for you guys. So let's go.